For breakfast today, I'm gonna be making delicious enchiladas rojas con chorizo y papa. You guys are gonna love them. Let me show you how. We're gonna start off by making the salsa. In a pot set to medium heat with some water, I'm gonna boil 2 chile anchos, 3 chiles de arbol, 5 chile guajillos, 2 garlic cloves, 1 roma tomato, a piece of white onion, and last, 1 clove. Boil everything for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and now I'm gonna transfer everything into the blender and also about half of the water. To that, I'm also gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and salt to taste. We blend. This is the consistency that I like, but if you like it more watery, you can always add more water. Now in a pan set to medium heat with some oil, I'm gonna start cooking the potatoes, and I'm using 3 small potatoes. We cook for about 6 minutes, and then we add 1/4 of a white onion. Mix and cook for about another minute. And now we're gonna add in 1/2 pound of chorizo. Break it down, mix it well. It's been about 5 minutes and now we're gonna start smashing the chorizo and the papas together. And this is what your filling should look like. We're gonna set it to the side and start frying our tortillas. In a skillet set to low heat, I'm gonna add some oil and now we can start frying. You dip them in the sauce on both sides, just like this, and you start frying. This is the messy part, guys. You fry for about 30 seconds. It's a very fast process. Make sure you don't burn them or they can start breaking. You flip and then we add in the filling and you can add as much filling as you like. These are ready. I'm gonna take them out and continue doing the same for the rest. You can also fill these with queso, cebollita, frijoles, but these are so delicious, you need to try them. With this filling, you can make about 10 to 12 enchiladas. Now we can start preparing them. I like to add some lettuce on top, or you can also add cabbage. Pickled red onions, and this salsita that I made, it's so good. I have a video for it in my page if you're interested. Some quesito fresco, and last, some crema mexicana. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. And there you have it, delicious enchiladas rojas con chorizo y papa.